Have you noticed something positively adorable taking over your social media feeds lately? Get ready for an explosion of fluff and purrs, because orange cats are the undisputed stars of the internet. From TikTok to Instagram, these ginger wonders are captivating hearts with their playful antics and undeniable charm. But what is it about these feline firecrackers that has everyone obsessed? Their sudden rise to fame might have you wondering if orange cats are truly a breed apart. Do their vibrant coats come with a set of unique personality traits that set them apart from their more subtly colored counterparts? Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating world of orange cats and uncover the truth behind their internet stardom. Get ready for a perfectly entertaining journey as we separate feline fact from fiction. One video in particular perfectly encapsulates the captivating allure of orange cats. Posted by @Harney'sLifey on Instagram, it features an adorable ginger cat desperately calling out for its owner. The video quickly went viral, amassing over 19.3 million views and 1.3 million likes. Viewers couldn't get enough of the cat's endearing meows and the clear display of affection for its human. This video, along with countless others flooding our feeds, showcases the playful, social nature often attributed to orange cats. From mischievous mischief makers to cuddly cuddle monsters, these ginger felines seem to possess an extra dose of personality that shines through in every video. But is this reputation for being the class clowns of the cat world truly deserved, or is there something else at play? Before we jump to conclusions, it's important to take a step back and consider the facts. Let's hear what the experts have to say. Their insights can shed light on the truth behind the myths, despite the internet's insistence on orange cats being a special breed of wacky. With countless memes and videos showcasing their antics, the scientific community begs to differ. Leading feline behaviorists like Dr. Vali Parthasarathi and Dr. Mikhail Delgado are quick to point out that there's no scientific evidence to support the claim that coat color dictates personality in cats. Just like humans, explains Dr. Parthasarathi, cats are individuals. Their personalities are shaped by a complex interplay of genetics, upbringing, environment, and even their diet. Dr. Delgado echoes this sentiment, adding that while breed can play a role in certain behavioral predispositions, painting an entire coat color with the same brush is a gross oversimplification. They emphasize that each cat, regardless of its coat color, has a unique set of traits and behaviors. So, if science doesn't support the notion of unique orange cat behavior, what's behind this pervasive perception? Could it be the power of social media, where certain narratives and stereotypes get amplified? Or perhaps it's just that orange cats have a certain charm that captures our imagination. Whatever the reason, it's clear that the myth of the quirky orange cat is here to stay, at least in the world of internet folklore. Section 4. The Science of Ginger, Why Males Rule the Roost. To understand the orange cat phenomenon, we need to delve into the fascinating world of feline genetics. It's a journey that takes us deep into the microscopic world of DNA, where the secrets of their vibrant coats are hidden. The gene responsible for that gorgeous orange coat is located on the X chromosome. This tiny segment of DNA holds the key to the striking appearance of these cats. Now here's where things get interesting. Female cats have 2 X chromosomes, while males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. This difference in chromosome pairs plays a crucial role in determining the coat color. What does this mean for our ginger friends? Well, it means that the inheritance of the orange coat is more straightforward for males. A female cat needs 2 copies of the orange gene to inherit the trait, while a male cat only needs 1. This makes it statistically more likely for males to sport that fiery fur. This simple quirk of genetics means that roughly 80% of orange cats are male. It's a fascinating example of how genetics can influence the population dynamics of a species. This skewed gender ratio might contribute to the perceived behavioral differences. With more males around, their typical behaviors become more noticeable. Male cats, in general, tend to be more boisterous and outgoing, which could explain why orange cats have earned a reputation for being the life of the party. Their energetic and playful nature makes them stand out in any feline crowd. Section 5. The ginger cat stereotype, fact or fiction. The internet loves a good stereotype, and orange cats have fallen victim to this phenomenon. From memes to viral videos, these felines are often portrayed in a very specific light. Their vibrant coats, coupled with the prevalence of males, have led to a widespread perception that they're all bundles of rambunctious energy and comedic clumsiness. This image is reinforced by countless social media posts and funny clips. While this might hold true for some, it's essential to remember that every cat is an individual. Just like humans, cats have their own unique personalities and behaviors. The danger of stereotypes lies in how they shape our expectations and interpretations. We might overlook the quieter, more reserved orange cats because they don't fit the mold. We might be more likely to interpret an orange cat's meows as demanding or their clumsiness as goofy simply because it fits the preconceived notion. This can lead to a skewed understanding of their true nature. This isn't to say that all depictions of orange cats are inaccurate or harmful. Many of these portrayals are based on real behaviors and can be quite entertaining. However, it's crucial to approach each feline encounter with an open mind and appreciate them for their unique personalities, regardless of their coat color. By doing so, we can truly celebrate the diversity and richness of the feline world. Section 6. A positive impact: adoptions on the rise. Despite the potential pitfalls of stereotypes, the orange cat's rise to internet fame has had a positively wonderful side effect: increased adoption rates. Shelters and rescue organizations across the globe have reported a surge in inquiries and adoptions for orange cats, thanks to their newfound celebrity status. This heartwarming trend is a testament to the power of positive representation. By showcasing the playful, affectionate nature of orange cats, even if exaggerated at times, the internet has helped countless felines find their forever homes. It's a beautiful reminder that sometimes a little bit of humor and a whole lot of cuteness can make a world of difference in the lives of animals in need. Section 7. Long live the ginger kings and queens. So, there you have it. The truth behind the orange cat phenomenon. While science may debunk the myth of unique orange cat behavior, there's no denying that these ginger wonders have captured our hearts. Their playful antics, coupled with a dash of genetic predisposition, have made them the reigning monarchs of the internet. As responsible pet parents and feline enthusiasts, it's our duty to celebrate these furry jesters while remembering that each cat is an individual. Let's continue to shower them with love, provide them with the care they need, and appreciate the joy they bring to our lives, one hilarious video at a time. Long live the ginger kings and queens.